party. And he has a ANT-2, a big Russian biplane that's in the hangar. It's down for maintenance, that's why it won't be flying for the show. But the Mig-17 was a pretty good airplane. It did the two-emergency action in Europe. We were able to get users in Vietnam. In the very beginning, almost over between the North Vietnamese Air Force. The skies of Vietnam. Pass. That's the second of third passes. Little diamonds on the field of the exhaust. So it had this plane had two 23mm NR-23 autocannons. I've always been amazed where is the definition between what is a good and what is a good.
Is with these planes to show up.
Red Mig, a little confused as Jason's coming by for another low pass, smoke on, get your cameras ready. We'll let him go, and we'll tell you, this airplane looks very similar to the Mig-17, but including a little more swept back on the wings, where the Mig-15 has two fins on it, the Mig-17 has 3 on each wing. A lot of German scientists, whether they wanted to or not, so if they wouldn't melt through back here.
The way to tell if you're minus the car keys is you're the one that can't get home and you're the last car standing. This is a pro tip.
Well, generally, Greg, if he's the last guy out, he'll have less problems than the early guys.
T6s should be sputtering in here.